Hey, it's Al with Landlord.com. I'm doing an inspection on one of my furnished rentals, and I walked in here and it had a little dog smell, still kind of a doggy smell. So I know when that happens, that means it's time for the tried and true 50% vinegar and water. So this is what I do. I go to Home Depot and I get cleaning vinegar. It's important to get that. It's like almost like $2 for all this. And then I get a squirt bottle and I fill half of it up, maybe 10 ounces of cleaning vinegar and the rest with water. And then I just spritz all over the place, especially the sofa, because pets like to get on sofas. So I was spraying all over here, and it appears to be the culprit. I do the backside of the pillows, underneath, and everything. Then this is one of the Kia sofas that allows you to take off the covers and wash them. But still, if you have that smell, hit it with 50% water and vinegar, and that'll take care of it for you. So that's your tip for today. Hope it helps you. It's good for saving you some cleaning time. Okay.